In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Asana team, whether you're moving to a different project, simplifying your workspace, or just cleaning up your sidebar. Leaving a team in Asana is quick and straightforward. This process only removes you from that specific team. It doesn't delete your Asana account or affect your access to other teams you're part of. Start by opening Asana and looking at the left-hand sidebar. This is where your navigation lives. In the section that lists your teams, click the team name you want to leave. If you have a long list, you may need to scroll a bit, and if the list is collapsed, expand it so you can see all available teams. Clicking the team name takes you to that team's main view, where you can see its projects, members, and settings. Once you're on the team page, look toward the top area for the Members tab. This tab shows everyone who currently has access to the team. Go ahead and click Members. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Asana updates its interface from time to time, but you're looking for the section that lists the people in the team. Now, within the members list, find your own name. You can scroll, or if there's a search or filter box, use that to locate yourself faster. When you hover over your name, you should see an option to leave team, or you might notice a small X next to your name that performs the same action. Click that option to remove yourself from the team. Depending on your organization's settings, you might see a brief prompt asking you to confirm. This is normal and is just making sure you intended to leave. After you've left, the team will no longer appear in your sidebar and you'll lose access to the team's projects and conversations. Any work you have elsewhere in Asana remains unchanged, and you can always be re-invited later if you need to rejoin. If you don't see the leave team option at all, it's usually because of a permission setting controlled by your organization. Layouts can vary, but the option should be in that members area when it's available. That's all there is to it. Click the team in your sidebar, open the members tab, and select leave team next to your name. A quick review like this can keep your Asana workspace tidy and focused on the teams and projects that matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips on organizing your Asana workflow.